In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your Facebook ad account as a beginner, okay, using your mobile phone. If this is your first time of setting up your Facebook ad account, I'll be showing you how to do that with your mobile phone. The first thing you need to do is to open your Chrome browser, okay? Open your Chrome browser and then log into your Facebook account, okay? Now when you log into your Facebook account, you're going to see Facebook in the mobile view, and once you try to access your ads manager from this mobile view, it will not open. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on these three vertical dots icon, okay, and click on desktop site. Tap on it, select desktop site, so that we can open our Facebook in desktop view, okay. Now even if you have done this, you may still see m.facebook.com, and this is not what we want. So you tap on the link of your Facebook, okay, you tap on it and you edit, you remove this m, okay, and you add it web. All right, web.facebook.com. now even if you add web.facebook.com without switching to desktop site view, it's not going to open. So you first of all switch to desktop site, okay. Now web, all right, web.facebook.com. web.facebook.com. Beautiful. Now we are viewing our Facebook like we are viewing it with a computer. This is the desktop view or the computer view of our Facebook, okay. So you have to zoom, okay, just zoom to the top part of your screen. So click on this plus icon, okay, click on this plus icon. All right, once you click on it, you click on add. All right, now if you don't want to do this, you can simply go to your URL and edit it, and then enter ad manager, okay, web.facebook.ads manager. All right, so but for the sake of procedure and process, you click on add. All right, so when you click on add, okay, here says you need to create a Facebook page. So before you start running an ad, at least you should have a Facebook page, okay. So let's quickly create a Facebook page. So let's give our page a name, okay, let's give it a name. Let's call it top skills. Top digital skills, okay. Category digital. Let's make it digital computer training school, okay. This is optional, so we can leave it or we can fill it up. Let's fill it up. Let's just say learn digital skills, okay. I think the L is more than 2, okay. All right, better. So let me select this mobile view, okay. Then you scroll up. I just pushed my screen upwards and you see create page, okay. Our page is creating. All right, it says finish up, so we can just skip this. We can skip this for now because the essence of this tutorial is to show you how to set up your ad account. I have a video on how to set up a Facebook page, okay. So for you, you can take your time to fill out all these necessary information that your page needs. Okay, so but I'm going to skip it for now. Okay, I'll click on done. All right. Okay, so it says welcome to your new page. All right, so we can close this. So let's go back to creating our ad account. I will zoom. Now click on this plus icon. I'll click on add. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on go to ads manager. Now for you, sometimes you may not see this. It will just take you to ad manager straight. Okay, so if it doesn't take you to ads manager straight, just click on that. Now you see the reason why we need to open our Facebook in desktop mode, in computer mode, is because it has automatically switched to the mobile mode. So once you encounter this, don't panic, simply switch back to desktop mode. Okay, switch back to desktop mode. I remember to do that, click on this vertical dots and click on desktop site. All right, here it says loading your ad account. Okay, so it brings us to this point. All right, so at this point we need to here it says get started. Okay, I'll just cancel this. So at this point, scroll down and you accept their terms and conditions. Okay, you accept their terms and conditions. All right, so now you can see that we have our ad account set up. Okay, now but this process is not complete until you add your payment settings. All right, so now the next thing you need to do is to click on, you zoom your screen. Okay, I believe every one of you know how to zoom your screen. Okay, click on these three horizontal lines. Okay, once you click on it, you click on billing. Rather, please click on billing. Okay, takes you to your billing section. Okay, now this is where you have to pay rapt attention. Okay, now this point will make your ad manager account to either become a prepaid ad account or a postpaid ad account. Okay, now what is a postpaid ad account? A postpaid ad account is a type of ad account whereby you pay after your ad is completed. Okay, after your ad is done, after you set up an ad, whether to run for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and the ad is complete. Okay, you are done with your ad, then you pay the debts that you have incurred for your ad. Why a prepaid ad account is an ad account whereby you pay before you start running your ad. You fund your wallet on Facebook before you start running your ad. Now there are advantages and disadvantages, but the reason why I will advise you to choose prepaid ad account, I'm going to show you how to do that, is because it helps you escape the issues of payment methods. Now Facebook normally have issues when it comes to making payment for some countries, not all countries. Okay, now for example, my country currently, as of the time I'm making this video, a lot of people are having issues with making payment on Facebook, and the simple reason is because of their ads, or their ads manager is on postpaid account, not on prepaid. So when you are on prepaid account, you have less of Facebook payment issues. Okay, so having said that, let's set up our payment method. So you click on payment settings, you can see it there. All right, now remember, this process or this part will make your ad account either a prepaid ad account or a postpaid ad account. And when you choose prepaid, you will have less of the payment issues when it comes to credit card or debit card issues. All right, so you click on add payment method. All right, so you select your country, you select your currency. If your currency is not here, then you can select US dollar. Okay, then you click on next. All right, now pay rapt attention. You see, when you click on next, you see two options, debit or credit card, and you will see Naira payment with Master stroke Visa, that is PayU. Okay, now PayU is the payment gateway that processes payment in Naira on Facebook. Okay, now if you are not a Nigerian and you are watching this, don't worry, don't panic. You are going to see something like local card. This Naira payment here will be local card, meaning that you are going to pay in your currency, in your local currency, with your own card. Okay, now at this point, if you select debit or credit card, your ad account will become a postpaid ad account. But if you select this and click on next, your ad account becomes a prepaid ad account. So, and this prepaid ad account has less payment issues. You will worry less when it comes to having payment issues. And don't forget, if you're not a Nigerian, you're going to see local card, especially for those of you in African country, okay, watching this video right now, and those of you in some part of Asia. Why those of you in Europe, you may not have this kind of issue, so you can just continue with your debit card or credit card. And I think you're going to see another option called PayPal. Okay, so now for those of you in Nigeria, if you use Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa, you're going to pay in Naira. Okay, and you're going to fund your account first before you run ad, and this will give you lesser stress when it comes to having payment issues. With the current policy that the Central Bank of Nigeria is implementing, a lot of people are having issues making payment with their Visa card and MasterCard online. Okay, so it affected both Facebook payment and so many other platforms that you need to pay online with your MasterCard and your Visa card. This is happening within the time frame I am making this video, but we believe that things will get better. Okay, so but outside that, the advantage of having a prepaid ad account is that you have less issues when it comes to payment methods or payment issues that are associated with Facebook, because you are paying in your local currency with your local gateway. Okay, but when you choose debit or credit card, you are paying with an international payment gateway. Okay, so here I'm going to choose Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa. All right, and mind you, for other people in other country, you are going to see local card here. Okay, or you will see the name of your currency. So either of them, you choose this one, the second option. Okay, and you click on next. Okay, so here it says tax information, you can skip it. Okay, now here it says add fund. So for now we are not adding any fund, so we can just close it. That is it. Now you can see that our ad account and our payment method is now prepaid. Okay, so and at this point we are done with setting up our ad account. Okay, so you can click on these three vertical icons and click on Ads Manager. Okay, then you can set up your first ad by clicking on this plus icon, or you will see another green button here saying create. Okay, so this is how to set up your Facebook ad account. All right, so I hope you understand this process, and if there is any issue, please feel free to contact us in the support group and we will assist you. Thank you. So after you're done setting up your ad manager with your phone browser, preferably Chrome, come to your Play Store or you go to your Apple Store and search for Meta Ads Manager. Okay, you have to install it. I have already installed it. Then you open the app and log in using your Facebook email and your password. Okay, that is the email and the password of the Facebook account you just created or set up an ad account on. Okay, so this is the app. Okay, I have already opened the app and I have logged in. All right, so now when you log in, you can see that this app has no ad on it. Okay, it's just a fresh ad account. Now, why are we using the app instead of continuing with the Facebook ad manager from the browser? The simple reason is because the app is here to help you set up your ad faster with your mobile phone. Okay, and the essence of this video course is to show you how to do it with your mobile phone. Okay, and in setting up your ad account, you cannot effectively set up your ad account using the Facebook Ads Manager app. Okay, many people that have tried to do it at some point were redirected to open the Ads Manager on their phone browser. So it's better we just open it straight on the phone browser, then come back to this Ads Manager app and continue whatever we are going to be doing with the Ads Manager. Okay, so from this point, most of your ads will be set up using this Facebook Ad Manager app. Okay, not all. There are still some ads that you may likely go back to your Ads Manager using your phone browser if you don't have a computer to set them up, because with such computer view, you're going to see the functionalities of that ad and what it fully entails. So at this point, we can simply set up our first ad by simply clicking on this create. Okay, when you click on create, you will see the ad campaigns available, and here you will see the page that you created. If you have more than one page, you're going to see an arrow pointing downwards that you can click on to select other pages. Okay, so this is how to set up your Facebook ad manager and how to start running ad with your Facebook ad account using your mobile phone. Okay, so if you have any confusion, any question, please feel free to post it in the support group and our team members will be there to assist you to get your questions answered and you will get your ads running. Thank you.